You probably had this happen to you. You are in a little bit of hurry and you just want to drill 1 or 2 overhead holes and you end up all dusty and blind. In this video, I will show you 3 easy tricks to make your overhead drilling amazingly simple. Simply take any kind of sponge that you have laying around and make it just a little bit wet. The best thing to do is to take a screwdriver and make a hole in your sponge, because right here in this hole we will put our drill in. When we use it like this way, all that wood debris will fall right into this sponge right here and nothing will fall on your head. As you can see, all the debris is on the sponge or inside of the sponge. Now the second method is a pretty common one, and it is using a vacuum hose to catch your debris. Now this is a very effective method, but you have to bring your vacuum cleaner close to your workspace, which sometimes can be a little bit difficult. And the third method, but not the last method, I have one more method up my sleeve, but the third method is to use a simple plastic bottle, but we will cut this plastic bottle at very specific angle. Now we can use both sides of this bottle, it doesn't really matter what we use, we just have to make a small hole incision right here on this one side. Beautiful. Now, before I show you the best method, in my personal opinion, if you are enjoying these type of tips and tricks, please hit that like and hit that subscribe button right now, as this really helps to get our content out there. Thank you for doing that. Now for this last method, we have a plastic bag with hard zipper on it. Now the benefit of plastic bag with a zipper on it is just make a small hole here at the end of your plastic bag, and when you press this zipper against hard surface, this plastic bag won't bend itself and you can easily catch all that debris coming from overhead. As you can see right here, you can easily manipulate with this plastic bag because of this hard zipper. You can make it wider like this and then catch all that debris right here into your bag. Or you can turn it around also. You can move it down, you can move it up, you can manipulate with it however you want. Very useful technique. And as you can see, all that debris is right here inside of the bag. If you have any experience with using these drivers or drill machines, please write your tips down in the comment section. You never know who can find your comment useful. And if you want to see some other cool woodworking tips and tricks, then check out these videos right here. Maybe some of these tricks can surprise you and YouTube thinks that this video right here is the best video for you, so make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video with me, and I will see you in the next one.